Hello everyone and welcome to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it. Yes, and what are we looking at this morning? Yes, we are in Bredäng. Bredäng Centrum to be exact. I have never been here in my life, so let's see what's gonna happen. So we're here at the Bredäng metro station, which is located on the red line, one of the last stations next to Mälaren. So let's go outside first here. That should be nice. Ooh, cool station. So Bredäng, what do we got here? All right. So what do we got here? Some shops. I've never been here before. Like Bredäng is considered to be a little bit of a hood. So if I get if I get robbed on this video, you know why. Nah, it's not too bad. That's not too bad. So what have we got? We got the nature reserve, got some campsites, some hall, all the cool stuff, a bakery. What else do we got? We got some restaurant, a grill, the cool stuff. Yo. Yeah, let's just wander around a little bit. Some music at the background, always nice. Oh, we got the fruit shop here. Nice. Building up for the day. Yeah, when he was like, it was funny, it was like, yo, what's up? I was like, oh no, not directly trouble here. Because I'm never looking for trouble, only for fun. So yeah, I don't really know where to go. I didn't really look up, the neighborhood or whatever, but we'll see how it goes. Because everyone's always like, oh Daniel, you only bring us to the good neighborhoods. Why you never bring us to the hood? Well, the thing is, usually with neighborhoods like this, right, there's not really that much to see. It's just like high buildings. Well, let's go this way. There have a few new apartments over there. Or maybe I can go under here. That should be fun. Maybe I should have looked a little bit on the map on maybe there's a waterfront or something, but and just do a little cruise around as usual. It's a new week. It's Monday today, and tomorrow I'm going to meet up with Olof again for a little stroll, probably more in central Stockholm. You know how it is always with us. Usually we end up in Södermalm or Kungsholmen or somewhere more central. And sometimes by myself I go a little bit more adventurous and go to the suburbs like this one. Bredäng, I think Bredäng is part of Skärholmen borough, so Skärholmen basically. Oh cool, it's like a big sports center. That's nice. It's very green. Oh, I like how they have these playground thingies. Tack för att du håller Bredäng rent och snyggt. Which basically means thank you for keeping Bredäng clean and tidy. Oh, I like this. It's nice here. Skate park. This is really a completely new environment. I've never been here before. I haven't even been close here. Well, I've been to Skärholmen Centrum, and that was a while ago. When I was to Skärholmen, there was like about 5 different people messaging me, saying like, "Oh, you're so happy you didn't get stabbed. I got stabbed over there in this." And I was like, well, now you're slightly overreacting. Because some people just like to, how shall I say it? Overreact, you know what I mean? It's like, you're not gonna get stabbed in the middle of the day anywhere in Stockholm, really. Still, some people seem to think that. I mean, there's lunatics everywhere, of course. Always. So, Bredäng. Ooh, information. Bredäng is close to the shore of Mälaren in an old cultivated landscape with woods, oak-clad slopes, open fields and occasional older buildings. Woo! I think there's like 9,000 people living here. Something like that. Which the vast majority of them are immigrants. I don't have the numbers, but should be 80-90%. But this is Jan Bredäng, it seems. Kind of cool because we're kind of walking under the subway station, and they've built this really nice new apartments here. They look really cool. It is actually better weather than I thought it would be. I thought it was going to get really cold. I am wearing shorts, but it's like almost too cold, I would say, but it's still okay. Shall I go under here or around? No, let's go around here. Just for your reference to see where we are, there's still a lot of places in this corner of Stockholm that I want to go to. Sätra, for example, and Vårberg. I've never been to Vårberg heller. Mälarhöjden, däremot, I've been. Däremot is a nice Swedish word. It means like on the other hand, däremot. I think that's the translation actually in English. I'm not really sure, to be honest. So here you see the same pattern as you see in Sollentuna also, where I live. Like these high rental flats close to each other. Oh, I can go here. That's nice. This is really a spring, another spring sign, a summer sign. Like these purple flowers look so nice. Oh, we got some playground here. Jakobsbergs Gård. I don't know what's over there, but oh. Actually, let's have a look. So green and lush now. I would say this is the best, greenest month. Like the end of May, June is really when everything is like at its best, I would say. That's maybe the right way of saying it. Oh, a paddle pool or whatever it's called. It's so nice and green here. So if I look over there, I go kind of around to the station over there. This is a brand new one. Not many people out and about. I guess most people to work. Ooh. This sounds makes me want to pee. That's not good. Let's go from here. And a little shower where you can wash yourself after the swimming. It's mainly for the kids because it's a very shallow place. Yeah, let's cross the grass here. See, it's a bit funny weather. It's like kind of the sun is coming, but it's also cloudy. And it's been like that for the whole week that you can't really decide, is it good weather or not? It's kind of in between. It can be like half an hour sun and then rain and then... But in general it's slightly colder than it usually is in like end of May. Oh, what's that? Is that artwork? Yeah. Cool, cool. Yeah, let's go here to the right and then we can kind of slowly make our way back to the metro station. Bollstigen, this is called. I planted some new trees over there, that's cool. And again, today I have a very busy schedule. I have like 4 meetings at work today. So you have to excuse me. Even today's video is going to be a little bit shorter than you may be used to. Simply because of a lack of time. But I still really wanted to do this walk here in Bredäng. Oh, what's this? Because I've been thinking about it for quite a while of going here. I don't even know what that stands for. NMR. I mean, I know the FCK, but... So we're having Bredäng Centrum in front of us again. I kind of sense that people don't really like me walking around here with the camera. Like everyone I walk past, they're looking at me like, oh, what are you doing in our neighborhood? But I made it anyway. A little video in Bredäng. That's the thing, you know, if you if you film people that are up to no good, then you know they don't really appreciate it. This looks nice. Oh, this reminds me almost of Drottninggatan, these small lions here. It's a driving school, trafikskola. Cool. Alright, so we're back at the subway here. Thank you for watching, folks. A little shorter video than normally, but I'll try to do a longer video tomorrow with Olaf. I hope you're having a great day. Shout out to the chat gang, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.